Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, January 21, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, David.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I am very good. I need my coffee.
Yes, me too. I am very tired this morning.
Is the coffee machine working?
Yes, it is working, but it is slow.
It is always slow. I have a busy day today.
Really? What are you doing?
I have 3 meetings with clients. I need energy.
That is a lot of work. I am working on the new project plan.
Is it difficult?
A little bit. There are many numbers to check.
Numbers are boring. I prefer talking to people.
I know. You are a salesperson. You love talking.
That is true. I like talking and I like news.
Did you read the news today?
Yes, I did. I saw a very interesting story in the Wall Street Journal.
Which story?
It is about the new law. The article is from January 20, 2026.
Is it the article called the 32-hour law?
Yes, that is the one. It is very controversial.
I read the headline. It talks about a 4-day work week.
Exactly. The government wants big companies to change the schedule.
It says companies with more than 500 employees must do it,
Yes, they must work 4 days, not 5 days.
but the salary is the same?
Yes. The pay is the same 100% salary for 80% time.
That sounds amazing for us.
It is great for employees. We can rest more.
But business owners are angry?
Yes, they are very angry. They say they lose money.
The article says production might go down.
I understand them. In sales, I need time to sell.
If you work less, you sell less?
Maybe I work faster.
The unions are very happy about this news.
Of course, they want better conditions for workers.
Do you think our company will do this?
We have more than 500 employees, so maybe yes.
I would like a 3-day weekend.
Me too. I can play sports or sleep more.
Speaking of sleeping, did you see the Washington Post?
No, I did not. What is the news?
There is an article from January 21, 2026. Today.
What is the title?
It is called Ads While You Sleep.
Ads while I sleep? That sounds terrible.
It is very strange. It is about a new technology.
Tell me more, please.
A tech company has a new permit. They can test audio advertisements.
Audio ads? Like on the radio?
Yes, but they play them on smart speakers in your bedroom.
When do they play them?
They play them when you are in light sleep.
That is crazy. I do not want ads in my dreams.
The company says you do not wake up.
But your brain hears it.
Yes, they say it influences your buying choices.
That is scary. Is it legal?
The government says it is okay for testing now.
People are worried about privacy, right?
Yes, the article says mental health groups are protesting.
I agree with them. Sleep is for resting, not shopping.
Imagine dreaming about a new car or a burger.
I do not want that. I will unplug my smart speaker.
Me too. Technology is moving too fast.
It is too much sometimes.
But companies want to make money.
Speaking of money, I saw another story in USA Today.
Oh, really? From this week?
Yes, from January 19, 2026.
What is the topic? Is it technology too?
It is about culture in schools. The headline is The Virtual Uniform.
Virtual uniform? What does that mean?
It is a new rule in a school district in Florida.
What is the rule?
Students cannot wear shirts with real logos.
So just plain shirts?
Yes, but they can buy digital skins.
I do not understand. How do you see them?
You see them with our glasses, augmented reality glasses.
Ah, I see. So the shirt looks plain to my eyes?
Yes, but if I wear my smart glasses, I see a cool design.
That is very futuristic.
The problem is the cost. Parents are angry.
Why are they angry?
The digital skins are expensive. Some cost $200.
$200 for a shirt that does not exist.
Exactly, it is a status symbol for the kids.
So rich kids have cool digital skins.
And poor kids have plain shirts.
That creates a big division between students.
Yes, the article says parents are protesting at the school.
They should ban the R glasses in school.
I think so too. But the school says it is digital expression.
It sounds like a business trick.
Everything is business these days.
First the work week, then sleep ads, now digital clothes.
The world is changing very fast, Alex.
Yes, it is. Sometimes I miss the old days.
Me too. Simple days. Just paper and pens.
And real coffee breaks.
This coffee is almost finished.
Is it good?
It is okay. It wakes me up.
That is the important thing.
Do you have a meeting now?
Yes, I have a team meeting in 10 minutes.
Good luck with the numbers.
Thank you. Good luck with your sales.
I need it. I want to finish early today.
Maybe one day we will have that 4-day week.
I hope so. Fingers crossed.
Well, I must go to my desk now.
Okay, Alex. See you later.
See you at lunch, maybe?
Yes, let's eat together. 1 o'clock.
Perfect. 1 o'clock is good.
Have a good morning.
You too, David. Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.